Hi, and welcome to a trade of the day for the 15th of September. My name's Tom. I'm a senior trading analyst here at Trendsignal. I want to show you a strategy that we've been using to detect end of day trades since 2003. This particular example closing out for just over a 1-to-1 risk reward with about 2 trading days. So the example we're looking at is Australian versus the New Zealand dollar. There's a 3-step progress to identifying trades with our end of day strategy. Number one, we look for these big sniper discs. The green outline tells you we're looking for a buy opportunity, while the grey line tells you it's a continuation of a previous trend. I'll zoom out after we've gone through this trade to show you exactly what I mean. There's then 2 other portions we need to pay attention to. If I just remove these lines quickly, we can see red to green and red to green. This is detecting momentum in different time frames, telling us that not only have the indicators underneath been satisfied to generate the sniper, but you also got the short-term momentum in your favor as well. All of these tell us that we can take this opportunity. We could then use the trade mate tool with our account size and risk percentage to generate a safe stake per pip to trade at, along with a recommended stop loss and take profit. In this case, it takes a day to close out for 30 pips, just over a 1-to-1 risk reward on that opportunity with a 25.8 pip stop loss. For people who are looking for a little bit more extra out of the trade, there might be a few reasons to do so, which I'll go through in a second. You're looking at nearly a 2-to-1. You're looking at 50 pips instead of a 30 pip take profit. In this particular case, there's a few reasons you might want to go for that extended target. We have a weekly trend, we have a monthly trend, we also have the intermediate trend, which looks at longer time momentum, pointing in our favor as well. The only thing we're really missing here is a supporting charting pattern, but 6 out of 7 is pretty good, and it's more enough to give someone an idea to go for those extended opportunities. What we have achieved in one day is the starter, 30 pips. For a bit of context, beginner trading account, pound per pip, of course, is 30 quid. If you're trading at £5 per pip, an intermediate size trading account, it's about £150 for a day's worth of work. And we're not just taking one trade, we're taking several trades a day across the different strategies that we look to employ. If you want to see us trade this live, find out a little bit more about how we manage these trades once they are live, and how to get these tools for yourself, then join us for the end of day trading session. We'll be doing tomorrow night at 7 o'clock. We'll go through everything. We'll take questions the entire way through, and hopefully you enjoy. There'll be a form around this video.